Good afternoon, guys. It's been a long time. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to goof off a little bit and get the GTO cleaned up. This is its first wash since we've got it done. First full hand wash anyway. I buffed on it, cleaned on it, and wiped it off, but never done a full wash. So thought I'd share the before and after and do a little time lapse as she's going along. But again, welcome back to the channel. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and please feel free to comment below on our 1969 GTO. You guys have been watching the channel for a while, know that we've been restoring this for 6+ years, actually 7 years this past June. So I'll put a picture in here of how it started and when we got it. But this is a mostly numbers matching car. There's some things we've done to change a few things, but we've got NOS sheet metal on all of it but the doors. The rocker panel's been replaced, the rear quarters have been replaced. This is Pontiac Warwick Blue. Color code, I believe, is 53. But I think I'm going to drive it to a family event tomorrow, so I wanted to get it out and get it cleaned up. Just took her for a drive around the block, and she's driving great. And a little bit of oil leak on the transmission pan, but other than that, she's doing very well. There you go, guys. GTO got her first wash after full restoration. We got a couple little things to tidy up. I got to put the emergency brake cables on. I've ordered stickers. Those are on back order, as per usual, for on the air cleaner, and then the door jams and the trunk for the jack directions and all that kind of stuff. But overall, she's looking pretty good. There's still a little bit of buff marks in the paint. There's one little one right there. Probably can't see it. Up along the gutter here, there's some rubbing compound I just got to get off. Actually, I don't know if it's compound or polish, but either way, I got some stuff I got to get off there. But overall, she looks good. She needed her first bath. I do have the steering wheel in the garage. I haven't put that in yet. Got to get that done. But overall, she looks good. Very happy with it. Nice to actually get out and wash it and drive around a block earlier before I washed it. So those of you who don't know, I did put wheels look funny on there. Those are 17s instead of 14s or 15s. I like the looks of those. I do have the original wheels. I just didn't finish them. I got these actually on a steal from somebody who had them on a show car and didn't like them. And I'm not sure I'm in love with them, but we'll see how they grow on me as I drive around a little bit and what the comments are. There you go. There's a 69 GTO, all cleaned up in its first wash. I'll clean the windows now. You guys don't need to see all that crap. But hope you enjoy seeing the video. Hope you enjoy seeing the car. And please comment below. We are going to be selling this soon. I'm going to put a few hundred miles on it, drive it around, finish up the last of the little stuff like the radio and emergency brake cable and little stuff like that. But again, please feel free to comment below and DM me if you like. And I hope everybody is well. Again, please like, subscribe, and follow, and see more updates as I start getting back into this.